Okay, let's try this function question. They tell you that you're looking at the graph of f of x equals a over x minus p plus q. Well, you got to know what's a hyperbola. But hey, what they've given you, you're looking at this line y equals 2. That's the horizontal asymptote. And it's the opposite of the horizontal asymptote is y equals whatever q is. So that q must be 2, you see? And p is the opposite of this number 4 here. So whatever makes the 4 here, p must be equal to 4, because 4 minus 4 would make it 0. That's the place you can't go. So it's the opposite of this positive 4. P must be 4. Well, if we know q is 2 and p is 4, then we can substitute x, which is 5, and y, which is f of x, in there, and we can solve for a. And that's what the memo looks like. First, they know that y equals 2. That means q is 2. And they also know x equals 4 makes p 4. Wow, that was kind of nice. So you've got those two things. So instead of p, you put 4. Instead of q, you put 2. And now you substitute x equals 5 and y equals 3. And you solve it. Okay, what is this? 5 minus 4 is 1. I've got 2 here. I subtract 2 from both sides. I get a equals 1. So there, we just figured out a, p, and q. All done. And that's the question. The next question says, there is this line called, and they don't say it's an axis of symmetry, but it's got a negative gradient. That's this dotted line going, that's a line going through here. They're asking, what is C, the y-intercept? Well, all you do is see where they cross here. This line that is an axis of symmetry where you could fold the hyperbolas over. The axis of symmetry is y equals minus x plus c. All you do is sub in x is 4 right there, and y is 2. Just sub it in and then solve. Minus 4 added to 2, c is 6. So the equation of the axis of symmetry is y equals minus x plus c. But I think they ask you just to find c, because they say the answer is c is 6. So there's those two questions. Not too bad.